This faceless YouTube channel earned $26K in month and $323K is his early income, and he just upload 1 hour video, and these videos was no voiceover, just background music and footages. Do you know how to create these videos? So, this video will talk about this, how to create 1 hour relaxation music videos. So don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. So, guys, first go to Google and search most beautiful country in the world. After search, you see all website link, just click once website link. When you are cool, check the website link, you are in a new tab, and you see most beautiful many country. So, you see the most beautiful any country, so, click the country name and copy the name you copy to Ctrl+C. But I am copy to right button and copy the country name. Second step, go to new tab and search Canva.com. When you are search now, you see home pages, many options, but you see center video options. So, click them and wait some times to load your page. After waiting, you see left many options like elements, upload, text and all. But you click the elements options and search the country name and Thailand. So, paste the name, you see right videos options, so, click them. But you select first 3 minutes, so, beautiful video elements, and there was a grass. So, you select 100 to 200 footages, but I'm just create 3-minute video because when I am select 100 to 200 footages. So, this video is longer. This is the reason why I am not select many footages. By the way,
follow me.
after you select many footages, you see right share options, so click them and download this video. Creating 1 hour relaxation music videos is a beautiful art form that allows you to craft a soothing escape for your audience. With the right blend of imagery and harmonious sounds, you can transport your viewers to a world of tranquility. So, as you embark on your journey to create these serene escapes, remember to let your creativity flow like a gentle stream and your music resonate like a calming breeze. Whether it's the tranquil sounds of nature, instrumental melodies, or a fusion of both, your 1 hour relaxation music video has the power to help people unwind and find solace in the midst of life's chaos.